Good afternoon. Welcome to the November 22nd, 2023 market review. Now, very nice day. Day before Thanksgiving. Hope you guys are having a good one. Hope you guys are prepping for the holidays, staying out of trouble, doing all the right things. Okay. So let's get into the charts really quick. I know I'm misanthropic. I don't know. Um, I'll figure it out someday. So on the left, we can see that our Nasdaq chart it's already set up on a 4 hour. This is because I want to show you how I approach today. The daily range of really any day, it can be pegged on a 4 hour chart. Um, so because I was expecting a range bound day, I took an order block up here, and I took this fair value gap. I took this fair value gap down here, and I use those as a discount and a premium level, and this was the cap and the lower cap of the daily range that I was working with. So let's go down into the weeds. On the 15-minute chart, you kind of see how that works. This is a liquidity sweep. So most liquidity sweeps or actually the very, very severe liquidity sweeps that are just way out there, that are just, um, what's that word? That are just absolutely insane, absolutely ridiculous in the charts. Those, basically, you just cut those off the charts. So in our daily range model, I know that this is included in the actual daily range, but in our daily range model, it actually caps on this 4 hour, and it also caps on this 4 hour. So how did I approach this day? Well, I expected it to be range bound. I expected it to be range bound, and the idea was when we reached into a premium, the 4 hour premium, that the 4 hour premium specifically is a very, very powerful level. So what happens when we reach it? Yeah, let me show you in 1 minute, because we saw the first time that it happened. Okay. What happens when we reach it is we just reject it. Boom. Right. So see, it dropped a fair value gap, and then if you were there, if you would have taken this short at the order block with a high or with a stop above the high, that would have been a pretty decent idea going for this liquidity here. Now, what happened? What happened today? Well, I saw this. I saw it reach up back. I saw it reach back up into this 4 hour level. And I was trying to take it short, Got ground out, I think it was like twice. And then my hands were off the charts for once we printed this high. And I saw this fair value gap, so I was running away from it. And so I took that short. I actually engaged this market in the account. Now, what was the expectation? I was expecting us to get down here. Why would I expect us to get down here? Normally, if this, no, I'm sorry, no, this is the normal case. So if we had a 15-minute or an hourly premium or discount, that can get you turned on and that can get run out. However, because we have a 4 hour one here, this should be safe. So under normal conditions, once we run away from it, especially at a time like, well, yeah, even at lunch, anytime that we're motivated to run away from this, especially this strongly, we're reaching for the discount, right? What happened here? Well, we were in our premium, right? We were in our 4 hour premium. We ran away from it. We did this U-turn. Wasn't something that I was expecting. Wasn't something that was in the model. Wasn't something that can really. Was not something that can really happen under normal conditions. But remember, this is the holiday season, and 'tis the season for miracles to happen, right? And 'tis the season for you to get run out when you really shouldn't be, or that you should be handed your longs when you really shouldn't be in longs. So yeah, this literal U-turn happened in the charts. Um, Now, why is that possible? Is because normally, once the once the market makers start running away, um, it becomes really, really inefficient because people are. Um, it becomes really, really inefficient to cover this ground twice. Okay, so once they've covered it, once they've started running, they're going to want to keep running, keep running, keep running until they get to where they want to be, which is this low probably, but also this discount, which was my target. My target was actually this low, but ultimately I wanted to see it come down to here. That was the model. At the end of the day, it really did. It was a holiday miracle. It was a Thanksgiving miracle. The Mr. Gobbles delivered this, but man, it was a special, special day. It actually made me angry when it did this U-turn because it felt personal. It felt personal because this is an impossible price feature that just happened right before my highs and ate the stop. If I had real equity, if I had real money in the trade, I would probably put a stop, or I would have moved my stop probably. Let's see. Let me see the 5 hour. 5 hour. Let me see the 5 minute chart to take a look at that. Probably. Well, I probably would have even gone here. Maybe even above the middle of this. That might have been aggressive. So probably at the low of this candle right here is where the stop would be, and the reason is because if they would actually do anything more than if they would actually reach up into this fair value gap for anything more than just kind of a little lick for that institutional order flow entry drill, then then we were losing it. This wasn't fast enough to take out all of these lows, which, man, that was sad. That was such a sad move. But it is what it is. So I hope you guys were safe. I hope you guys weren't in this. Hope you guys weren't trying to and if you guys like these kinds of markets, I hope you get help. Seriously, because they're just gonna wreck you, and that's addiction behavior. That's no good. So as for tomorrow, avoid it for trading. Don't even worry. Don't even worry about tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow and Friday they should be worse than this, significantly worse than this. Probably not as far as the manipulation goes, but as far as just frustrating price action goes. So stay out of them. Spend time with family. If you don't have family, try to go out. Try to like volunteer somewhere. Go to like soup kitchens or like some kind of a shelter or something, and I don't know. Volunteer. You know, just do something good in the world because it feels good. You know. Yeah. You want to do some. You want to do something nice for people, and you want to be. You want to do things that are good, you know, because it feels good. It's really nice. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Whoever is watching, I know there's only like one guy who keeps coming back, but that is what it is too. Thank you. Happy Thanksgiving and good night.